Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update Mico application. So let's get started. Begin by launching Play Store on a mobile device. In the search bar, type in Mico and perform your search. Tap on Mico application. If your application need any update, you will be able to see update button instead of open button. Just tap on it and your Mico application will be updated. And this is how you can update Mico app. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.